Today, e-commerce does a lot more than process payments. For enterprise organizations, it's mission critical, powering operations, integrating with legacy systems, and adapting to complex B2B and B2C needs. SaaS platforms like Shopify offer speed and convenience, but are they enough for your business? Let's look at 3 key areas that can help guide the decision. SaaS platforms are built for the majority, but not necessarily for you. If your operations involve millions of SKUs, high traffic environments, or advanced workflows like quote-based pricing or branch-level ordering, you may quickly hit their limits. Custom platforms are built to fit your business, not the other way around. Many enterprises rely on legacy ERP or CRM systems that can't just be replaced overnight. Custom e-commerce allows seamless integration with these systems without sacrificing stability. And unlike SaaS, where you rent and follow their roadmap, custom platforms give you full ownership and control over features, updates, and architecture. Off-the-shelf platforms offer general compliance, but when privacy, data security, or regulatory requirements are non-negotiable, custom e-commerce lets you build safeguards your way. And when you need help, you're not stuck waiting on a support agent. With the right partner, support is responsive, strategic, and collaborative. Read how Mila and Whitehots navigated this choice and why they chose custom e-commerce. Check out the full post on our website for client examples and a decision matrix to help you decide. So, SaaS or custom e-commerce? Let's talk you through priorities and map out a solution that fits your needs today and tomorrow.